Here's the first offering. Swing and a shot back up the middle, and that'll get through into center field for a base hit.
Yeah, back-to-back singles here to start the inning, and that probably warrants a look at his line to this point. The numbers haven't been too bad all told, but he's got a situation unfolding right here that could cause those numbers to change in a hurry.
Matt Clark will step in now as his guys look for a breakthrough here with a runner in scoring position.
Yeah, and it's been a long time coming. They haven't done anything with their opportunities so far. Maybe this will be the time that they finally crack the scoreboard.
Come on, sitting on something here. Hey, let her rip, let her rip.
Now here's the first pitch. And they start him out away with a called strike. Not too many strikeouts on the ledger for him so far, but it hasn't really mattered.
Yeah, I think ideally you'd like to see him miss a few more bats, but as long as you're keeping guys off balance and you're letting your defense help you, you don't need to strike a ton of guys out to be successful.
He's set, now the pitch. And boy, they're really giving him fits inside now as he can't get extended there, and it's 0-2 now.
Well, it's just game one of this series, but you almost have to wonder if they forgot to pack their offense when they got on the plane. It's been nowhere to be found so far.
Might have been looking to find that outside corner, but he couldn't quite get it there. It's 1-2.
Still now on 1-2, you don't have to make the perfect pitch out there. The count is still well in your favor on the mound. You know, Eric and I like to talk a lot about pitchers keeping hitters off balance at the plate. And this is an excellent illustration of what we're talking about. Now, we didn't like to be off balance at the plate, but this is what you get. He goes fast, then slow, fast, then slow. They never give him the same pitch with the same speed twice in a row. And that's how you keep a guy's timing all messed up.
Into the box, Vladimir Aquino. As the first pitch misses to him, it's ball one. The next pitch. Downstairs, 2 balls and no strikes.
And one thing you can't do here, you cannot lose him and load the bases. He's still got a couple pitches to play with, but I'd expect this one to be somewhere in a strike zone.
Now the 2-0. And here's a ball hit in the air. But this will land foul just shy of the wall. Here comes the 2-1. And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul. Here comes a 2-2. Now he takes something off there as this is skied out to deep center field. Gore is back and he'll get there to make the play for route number 2.
That ball was hit well, and it might have been a different story if he pulled it. Instead, he hit it to the big part of the ballpark, and he's retired.
Logan Schaefer will step in now and see what he can do with 2 on and 2 out here in the 6th. First pitch coming. And he gets a piece here as this ball is fouled away. Both teams with 6 hits so far. He's ready now. The pitch. Fastball, and he's quickly in the hole, 0-2.
Things were looking pretty good for him when they got the first 2 men of the inning to reach, but it's all gone downhill since then.
From the belt, the pitch. Tried to work it back to that low inside corner, but it misses. 1-2. No runs on 6 hits and 3 errors for these guys so far tonight. Here comes a 1-2. Now a ball lined towards center field, and that's in there. Base hit around third and being waved on home. Now the relay home, and the runner is in from second.
think he was looking for a fastball there? I think he was. That's about as hard a hit ball as you're going to see, and he was right on that one.
Hey, we got two down.
Into the box now, Juan Centeno, as he'll pick on the first pitch and hit a ground ball towards second. Throw on to first gets him, and the side is retired. So it's a run on 3 hits, no errors, and 2 men left on. To the bottom of the 6th inning, the Storm Chasers lead it 9-1. Catfish Brown will get another crack, 1 for 3 thus far.
Catfish Brown.
Hey, come on now, big dog. Get your pitch. No one out now. No one out. Hey, let it fly.
Now the first pitch. And this is fouled straight back.
Right here, guys. Keep driving. Let's go, kid.
From the belt, kicks and deals. Oh, got him a swing out of his shoes on that one. 0-2.
Yeah, he was trying to do something dramatic right there, but when you think about it, at this point in the ball game, all you need is base runners.
And oh, look out! Up and in and nearly took his head off.
Yeah, he's not trying to hit him, I don't think, but sometimes you need to keep going.
Big swing there as it's hit pretty well out toward deep left field. Adams has to retreat a bit, but he gets there for out number 1. Well, that graphic there tells you all you need to know about this particular ball game. 9-1 is our score as we draw ever nearer to the end of this one.
To a Saturday edition of Inside the Show. It's time to take a look back at what happened around the majors on Friday. In the National League Central, the Milwaukee Brewers were in Phoenix to take...
Matt Vasgersian here as the guys and I bring you closer to first pitch on the MLB pregame show with tonight's installment of the Bowman Prospect Spotlight. Catfish Brown is in that spotlight as he'll start and make his major league debut in this one. This has got to be one of the more significant moments in his life, right, EK?
Well, no doubt about it, Matt. Every major leaguer remembers their debut, but this one might be even more special. You know, he was a late-round selection back when he got drafted, so he wasn't any kind of prize prospect as he got his career started. He's had to really earn every promotion he's received through hard work and solid play, and the payoff is his chance to play in the show. Who knows if he'll make a career out of it up here, but either way, he is a big leaguer, and that's something most people, they'll never be able to say.
Okay, we're looking forward to this one. Lineups and first pitch on the show coming up next. Saturday Night Baseball here on the show as you get a look at Chase Field in downtown Phoenix. Tonight it's the third of this 4-game weekend series between the Milwaukee Brewers and the Arizona Diamondbacks. Catfish Brown will dig in here.
Batting fifth. Shortstop. Catfish Brown.
Get your pitch, huh? Hey, now we got...